Good morning, students. Today we will start chapter number 8, The Terror Train, from the novel Around the World in 80 Days. You again, shouted Passepartout when he met Fix the next day on the deck of the General Grant. The hot-blooded Frenchman was about to attack him when Fix raised his arms in defense. Wait, let me explain. I'm sorry. I put sleeping powder in your tea. Up to now, I were your master's enemy, but things are different now. So, now you are convinced my master is an honest man? No, I still think he's the thief. But listen to me. As long as Fogg was on English ground, I had to do everything in my power to keep him there until the arrest warrant arrived. Passepartout listened, with his fist held up ready for a fight, as Fix continued. Here in this paragraph, in these lines, we have read Fix was following Mr. Phileas Fogg and Passepartout. When Passepartout saw Mr. Fix on the deck of the General Grant, he felt so anger, hot-blooded, full of anger. He asked, "Again you have come there?" Then Fix replied that, "I'm really sorry. I have put sleeping powder in your tea. I'm your master's enemy, but things are different now." Then Passepartout said, "Okay, you accepted that my master is an honest man." Fix replied that, "I have not accepted as your master is an honest man. He's a thief. I am waiting for the arrest warrant. I will arrest him. Then I have got arrest warrant." To listen this thing, Passepartout was ready for fight. Here, now Fogg is going back to England, and it's in my interest to help him get there as fast as possible. Your interests are the same as mine, because only in England will you know whether you are working for a criminal or an honest man, so we are friends. Passepartout listened carefully and believed that the detective Fix was speaking the truth. "Now we are not friends, but allies. Perhaps remember one thing, thou. If you try to betray my master, I will twist your neck." Agreed. After that, the two men stayed away from each other. It was a long journey, and on 3rd of December they arrived in San Francisco harbor at 7 o'clock in the morning. Fogg said they were now either behind nor ahead of Sechua. In these lines we have read, when Passepartout was ready to fight with Mr. Fix because he was telling about his master, Mr. Fogg, he was a criminal, he gets anger. Then, in these lines, Fix telling to Mr. Passepartout that about Fix, "I want that when Mr. Fogg will go to England, I will arrest him, and you will know better, Passepartout, you are doing for a work for a criminal, or I'm doing for the work same person." So, here in this line, "So are we friends?" Mr. Fix proposed to Mr. Passepartout for his friendship. Passepartout listened carefully and believed that detective was speaking the truth. But in these lines, Passepartout did not accept the purpose of his friendship. He said that we are not friends, but we are enemies. If you try to cheat my master, I will kill you. I will twist your neck. Agreed. After that, the two men, here Passepartout and Mr. Fix, stayed away from each other. It was a long journey, and on 3rd of December, they arrived San Francisco Harbor at 7 o'clock in the morning. Fogg said that we were now neither behind or ahead of sexual means, which timetable Mr. Fogg has made to move around the world. It was going on the correct way.